Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss some important questions that are asked from freshers as well as experienced people on AEM. So basically if you are going for a author role or if you are going for a developer role, at least you should be familiar with the architecture of AEM. So normally if it will be a mix, again you should know some details about like design pattern. So you should be able to explain that okay, design patterns are standard problem solving patterns. Again, these design patterns are not specific to any programming language. So these are standard design patterns. So whenever you are going to solve a problem, so we have different types of design patterns. So we have singleton, we have adapter, we have resource adapter service. So you should be able to name some of the design pattern. And again, this is not specific to Java, this is not specific to .NET, PHP. These are the situations in which you will be using these design patterns to make sure that your solution is effective, scalable, and has good performance. Then the other question that is asked is difference between bundle and package. And you see that both the names are similar, bundle and package. So here the candidate gets confused. So you should be very much clear. So whenever we are talking about bundle, so bundle is something that is related to Java code, Java classes, jar files, and again a bundle is a independent module that is capable of doing a particular kind of task. A bundle can interact with other bundles. So again, whenever we are talking about bundle, it is related to module, it is related to programming. And whenever we are talking about package, so package is basically related to, it's a zip file, so it is related to content. And whenever we are migrating some module or some content from JCR, we use this package. So package and bundle should be very much clear, because again normally this question is asked. Then we have parses and iparses. So these are again similar thing. So when we talk about parses, again it's a paragraph system, and again it's a container to add other component. And iparses means that it is inherited from paragraph system. Then the next very important question that is normally asked in the interview is the sling. So sling part is very important, because sling is the basics on which the web application concept in AEM is developed. So sling model, sling, and then we have the JCR. So all the content that is present in JCR, it is accessed using sling model, and then for the user it is represented using the sling method. So sling is used to create web application that are mostly content oriented can be developed using this framework. And all whatever application, whatever pages that you are creating, that comes under the part of sling. Then the other important thing is replication agent. So again in AEM, you should be very much clear that replication agent, because the architecture of AEM is we have authors. So author are the content creators who create all the content, and with one author there are multiple publishers. The publishers are those who are who are responsible for displaying all the content on to the users. So whenever there is a new content created, there should be some replication agent. So replication agent, what they do, they replicate the content to different publishers. So the concept of different publisher is so that there is the particular publisher or particular web application is not overloaded. There is no issue on the performance. So that is why there will be multiple publishers, and the role of this replication agent will be, they will be replicating this to different publisher activate publish content from the author to publish environment. This is the first one. Second one is flush content from dispatcher cache deliberately. So what is the process? Whenever a page request is sent, it is sent to the dispatcher. So dispatcher checks, and if the content is available, then instead of going to the author, it directly gives the data. But if there is any change, then in that case this replication agent checks the cache part where dispatcher has stored and the content that is stored on the author. If there is any difference, then flush content from the dispatcher cache deliberately. So it's very important, and deliver user input from the publish environment to the author environment. Now next question is workflow. So workflow in any content management system, it's very important, because through workflow you can automate the process, you can automate some steps so that there is no user intervention. Sometimes flow is required, so the moment you publish a web page, instead of directly publishing, it will go for a review from after that review. So what will be the final publish, so there is no mistake. So there are some workflow that are being created. So workflow feature in AEM allows user to automate tasks in content management system instance. It's a well-defined series of action that includes participant, a process, and possibly certain tools, when many procedures can execute simultaneously. So this will automate the things so that all the things that are similar in nature, they are taken care by this workflow. So workflow is a very important thing that is being used in AEM to automate the things. So friends, this was all about some questions on AEM. We will be discussing some more questions in our coming videos. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.